Imagine a world where you can access computing power, storage, and other IT resources on demand, like electricity from a power outlet. That's the power of cloud computing, and Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is leading the way. AWS is like a giant data center in the cloud, offering a wide range of services to individuals and businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a student, a startup, or a large enterprise, AWS has something to offer. With AWS, you can say goodbye to the hassles of managing physical hardware and focus on what matters most, building and deploying your applications and services. From hosting websites and mobile apps to storing and analyzing data, AWS provides the tools and infrastructure you need to succeed in the digital age. AWS is not just about technology, it's about empowering innovation. By providing a scalable, reliable, and cost-effective platform, AWS enables businesses to move faster, experiment more, and bring their ideas to life. With AWS, the possibilities are limitless. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of AWS and discover how it can help you achieve your cloud computing goals. At its core, AWS is a cloud computing platform that provides on-demand access to a vast collection of IT resources. Instead of owning and maintaining your own data centers and servers, you can rent these resources from AWS and pay only for what you use. Think of it like renting an apartment instead of buying a house. You get flexibility, scalability, and cost savings. AWS was launched in 2006 by Amazon.com, initially offering just a few services. Today, it has evolved into the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform, with over 200 fully featured services. These services are available from data centers globally, ensuring low latency and high availability for users worldwide. AWS operates on a pay-as-you-go model, meaning you only pay for the resources you consume. This eliminates the need for upfront capital expenditure and allows you to scale your resources up or down based on your needs. Whether you need a single virtual server or a complex network of interconnected services, AWS has got you covered. AWS offers a wide range of services, but some of the most popular and essential ones include EC2, S3, RDS, and IAM. Let's take a closer look at each of these services and understand their functionalities. Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2, is like the heart of AWS, providing resizable compute capacity in the cloud. It allows you to launch virtual servers called instances, which you can use to run your applications and workloads. You can choose from a variety of instance types based on your specific requirements, such as CPU, memory, storage, and networking. Simple Storage Service, or S3, is AWS's object storage service, offering a scalable, reliable, and cost-effective way to store and retrieve any amount of data. You can use S3 to store everything from website files and multimedia content to backups and archives. S3 is designed for durability and can withstand the loss of multiple data centers. Relational Database Service, or RDS, makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale relational databases in the cloud. It supports popular database engines like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server, allowing you to choose the best fit for your application. RDS handles tasks such as provisioning, patching, and backups, freeing you to focus on your data. Identity and Access Management, or IAM, is a crucial service that helps you securely control access to your AWS resources. It allows you to create users and groups and grant them specific permissions to interact with your AWS services. IAM ensures that only authorized individuals and applications have access to your sensitive data and resources. Section 4. Demystifying AWS Pricing. AWS offers a flexible and transparent pricing model that allows you to pay only for what you use. There are no long-term contracts or upfront commitments. The pricing is based on several factors, including the services you use, the amount of resources you consume, and the duration of your usage. One of the most attractive aspects of AWS pricing is the free tier. The AWS free tier provides a limited amount of resources for free for 12 months, allowing you to experiment with AWS services and get hands-on experience without incurring any costs. For usage beyond the free tier or for larger workloads, you can choose from various pricing models, including pay-as-you-go. This is the most flexible pricing model where you pay only for the resources you consume. You can increase or decrease your usage as needed, and you are billed monthly based on your actual consumption. Reserved instances. If you have predictable workloads that require a specific amount of resources for an extended period, reserved instances can save you money compared to the pay-as-you-go model. With reserved instances, you commit to using a particular instance type for a 1 or 3 year term and get a significant discount on the hourly rate. Section 5, Getting Started with AWS Free Tier. Getting started with AWS is easier than you might think thanks to the AWS Free Tier. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you sign up and start exploring AWS. First, create an AWS account. Visit the AWS website and click on the Create an AWS Account button. You'll need to provide your email address, create a password, and provide some billing information. Don't worry, you won't be charged anything unless you exceed the free tier limits. Next, explore the AWS Management Console. Once you've created your account, you can access the AWS Management Console, the central interface for managing your AWS resources. The console provides a user-friendly dashboard where you can explore and launch AWS services. Then launch your first EC2 instance. Head to the EC2 service and click on the Launch Instance button. You'll be prompted to choose an Amazon Machine Image, AMI, which is a template that contains the operating system and other software for your instance. Select an AMI that meets your requirements and proceed with configuring the instance details, such as instance type, storage, and networking. Finally, experiment with other services. Once you've launched your first EC2 instance, feel free to explore other AWS services such as S3 for storage, RDS for databases, and IAM for security management. The AWS free tier provides enough resources for you to get a good understanding of these services. Section 6. Embark on your AWS learning journey. Learning AWS doesn't have to be daunting. AWS provides a wealth of resources to help you get started and enhance your cloud skills regardless of your experience level. AWS Tutorials. AWS offers a comprehensive library of tutorials that cover a wide range of topics, from basic concepts to advanced services. These tutorials provide step-by-step instructions and hands-on exercises to help you learn by doing. AWS Cloud Quest. For a more interactive learning experience, check out AWS Cloud Quest. This gamified learning platform takes you on a series of quests and challenges that teach you how to build and manage cloud solutions using AWS services, AWS training and certification. AWS offers a variety of training and certification programs to help you validate your AWS skills and advance your cloud career. These programs range from foundational to professional levels and cover various AWS domains such as architecture, development, and operations. Section 7. Your AWS adventure awaits. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering AWS. You've gained a solid understanding of cloud computing, explored essential AWS services, and learned how to get started with the AWS free tier. Now it's time to put your knowledge into action and embark on your AWS adventure. Start by experimenting with different AWS services, building simple applications, and exploring the vast possibilities that AWS offers. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. As you gain more experience, consider pursuing AWS certifications to validate your skills and enhance your career prospects. The world of cloud computing is constantly evolving, and there's always something new to learn. Embrace the challenge, stay curious, and enjoy the journey.